Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for our trading boom and crash. And of course, what we usually do there is to check out the market direction, do some analysis, and of course try to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. Okay, so this is very important. Most people have been benefiting from this, and I know you guys can also benefit from all this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, but before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said, we will be analyzing the market together. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. So many people have done that. You too can also do the same thing. Now let's go straight into the market right away, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right here. This started a downtrend right from here but came to an end at this support zone. It tried it out several times, it was unable to break out below it. So right now it's going back on buy trend. Okay, so first we need to check, see if it gets it to this level first. Okay, this is a major resistance zone. Once it breaks out above this, then we can now consider other resistance zones like this. Okay, so that is very important. So this is going to be buying more than selling, so it's going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So for boom 500, let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500, and just the way we have seen this, this had been on downtrend right from here. Okay, so majorly it started a downtrend from here but got to this region, decided to buy a bit but till it got to this resistance zone but was unable to break out from there, so it pulled back, so it's selling at the moment. If it's unable to break out below this, okay, below this particular support zone, then definitely it will buy more, but for now it is still selling at the moment. Okay, it is still selling. Might not be for a very long time before it will go back into a buy trend because of the support zone that is there. Okay, this particular support zone. Okay, so this is this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below this support zone. So now let's check out crash 1000. Okay guys, this is crash 1000. Just where we have seen it, this had been buying right from this support zone. It has got into this resistance zone. If it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it will sell for a while, but if it breaks out above it, then definitely it's going to buy for a while. Okay, this might be selling right from there. Okay, so it's going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity, except if it breaks out above the resistance zone. That is when it will keep on buying. Okay, so that is it. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 500, and just the way we have seen it. Okay, this actually sold till it got to this support zone, tried out the support zone 3 times, it was unable to break out from there. So right now it is on buy trend but needs to break out above this resistance zone, so it is majorly on buy trend at the moment. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, it is very important. Then the next asset we will be checking out is going to be volatility 75. Okay, it's going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is volatility 75, and just the way we have seen it, this had been on a very strong uptrend, very strong uptrend, and of course it has got into this resistance. So even though it will be trying it out again, if it breaks out above it, it will continue to buy. If it does not, then it will go back on sell trend. So at the moment it is still buying until it is unable to break out above it. That is when it will go back into a sell trend. This is very important. Okay, so guys, you need to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.